Hello friends, welcome back to Swathi Ganesh Creations. I hope every one of you are doing great. Today I have come up with something interesting for you guys. I'm going to share this colorful and beautiful home tour, and this home actually belongs to Moumita Talukder, and thank you so much Moumita for sharing your home tour with us. And she stays in Kolkata with her husband, daughter, mother-in-law and a four-legged son. And this house is actually a cozy duplex house in South Kolkata where she was moved recently before the lockdown began. So as per her, lot of work is still under progress. Whatever is the current look, she has sent a video of that. And she is a clinical researcher by profession, and she works with Cognizant, but as a passion she is a freelance interior. She has a small team who works on different projects. It's not always false ceilings and woodworks she gives importance to, but it's a feel of warmth and play of colors she works on. She loves painting, and you can see there are a lot of paintings in this house which are painted by her, and she prefers keeping the decor simple which she can maintain and clean properly. So I have shared her Facebook page link in the description box below. You guys can check it out. So as soon as you enter the home, you will be able to see this formal living space. So you can see she has used a lot of greens in her home, and also the lighting is perfect for the ambience. I just love the lighting and plants and the colors. Each time I look at this video, I feel happy and energetic because the colors are so bright and cheerful. She has a cabinet here above which she has placed this large mirror, and it looks so beautiful. You can see her house is actually a mix of contemporary and ethnic style. So this is actually like an ethnic dining space. She loves string lights, and she has used these LED string lights in many places in our home. Aesthetically done, right? I just love the decor. And you can see on the table she has used a tablecloth which is so beautiful. So even near the steps she has placed some plants. Now let's check out what she has for us in her first floor. So you can see even in the step she has used some plants, and look at those beautiful paintings. Some of them are done by Moumita. So as soon as we reach the first floor, it is her entertainment room, and a bar unit also is attached here. So you can see how beautifully she has played on with colors, and it looks so bright and cheerful. And look at that wall. She has used DIY trunk as a center table. And look at the Royal Enfield painting, it looks so stunning. And this wall is just like a statement wall here. She has collected so many different decors and she has put them together, and it looks so good. And here on this floor she has got 3 bedrooms, and this is her daughter's room. It's small and cute room. She has placed mandir here. Now let's check out the master bedroom and guest bedroom. So this is her master bedroom, and you can see she has decorated it so beautifully. This room looks kind of modern and ethnic as well, so I just loved it. She has played it so beautifully. And this is my favorite part of her bedroom. This is a super cute cozy corner she has created near the window. I just love it. So this side she has created her family gallery wall, and this is her work from home station. Now let's check out this guest room. So you can see even in this room she has played on with colors. I just love how those stripes, that blue and yellow, merge together. So when I asked Moumita for home tour, she readily accepted it, and she shot the home tour so beautifully and she has uploaded it for us. So we should all thank Moumita for that. And as I already told you guys, do follow her on her Facebook page, which is there in my description box. So this bedroom has a cozy balcony area. I hope you guys would have got some ideas for your home from this home tour. So even here you can see her DIY trunk. This space looks so beautiful and it's a perfect space for morning tea. Do let me know what you guys think about Moumita's decorations and how you like this home tour in the comment section below. I hope you guys would have liked today's video. If you guys liked today's video, please give a thumbs up because that's going to motivate us to do more such videos. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. And if you really like this home tour, do share it with your friends and family. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swathi Ganesh signing off. Bye friends, and thank you once again Moumita for sharing your beautiful home tour with us. I'll see you all in the next video, friends. Bye.